This is the new 6th generation 2020 Subaru Outback. The Outback has always been an SUV alternative, consistently delivering the ride and handling of a car. The news for 2020 is that no more 6-cylinder engine will be offered. Instead, 2 4-cylinders will be available. The top engine will be a 260 horsepower, 2.4-liter turbo. The base engine is 182 horsepower, 2.5 liter. Both are hooked up to a continuously variable transmission and standard all-wheel drive. Subaru says that models of the 2.4 liter can tow up to 3,500 pounds. We're pleased to see that the 2020 Outback comes standard with important safety features, such as forward collision warning and automatic emergency braking. Blind spot warning is optional. The styling of the new Outback might look familiar to Subaru fans, but it's inside where you'll really notice the difference. The Outback's elevated ride height makes this car easy to get in and out of. Top trim models have a lot of fine interior details, including soft touch materials and exposed stitching. Also available is an 11.6-inch infotainment touchscreen, the largest ever in a Subaru. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard. The Outback has always offered a generous cargo area, and a power liftgate is available. The Outback has always done well in Consumer Reports tests, and is very popular with Consumer Reports members. We look forward to buying and testing a new model when it goes on sale this fall. For more on SUVs, check out consumerreports.org.